Hello everyone. Today there's something special just for you. Exciting surprises are waiting, and I'm sure you won't want to miss them. Stay until the end to discover them. Have you ever stood in front of a massive log and wondered how people manage to cut it so perfectly? The answer is WM1000, a powerhouse of a sawmill that can handle gigantic logs with a diameter of up to 67 inches. But size isn't everything. What makes the WM1000 truly remarkable is its thin curved blade, which minimizes sawdust waste and maximizes usable wood. Less waste, higher efficiency. That's why this machine is worth every penny. And that's not all. With its automatic control system, operation is easier than ever. This isn't your grandfather's sawmill. It's a revolution in modern wood processing. Alright everyone, today we're putting two giants to the test. Steel MS362C versus Husqvarna 562XP. MS362C, unbeatable torque for relentless cutting power. 562XP, X-Torque Tech for fuel efficiency and smooth performance. Two beasts, one showdown. Which one takes the crown?
Bijna 3 seconden. Bouwtijd!
Storms like this are terrifying. Luckily, no one was inside the shed. Otherwise, the consequences would have been tragic. Wow, you have to see this. This is the shingle-making machine used in Russia, a powerful system that can turn logs into roofing material in the blink of an eye. The most impressive part? Razor-sharp, precise cuts, producing perfectly uniform shingles every time. Not only is it powerful, but it's also designed for maximum safety, making the job fast, accurate, and incredibly efficient. Stay until the end of the video to see just how powerful this machine really is. Welcome to Columbia Vista, where the wilderness is tamed through technology and human craftsmanship. Massive trucks loaded with freshly cut timber set the stage for a powerful symphony of logistics. Every step unfolds with near-perfect precision. Master wood graders and colossal machines work tirelessly, sorting each log with calculated efficiency. This isn't just a sawmill. It's a stage where power and precision shine together. If you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to leave a comment. Share your thoughts with us. The machine does more than just digging. It moves in harmony with the earth, each motion carrying a breathtaking precision and elegance. The operator is not merely controlling it. He is dancing with the Cat 305 E2, executing every maneuver with fluid grace and raw power. The bucket angle is perfectly adjusted, applying just the right amount of force to lift the roots without harming the nurturing soil. This is no longer just a job. It is an art form, a mesmerizing fusion of man and machine in a mechanical ballet. If power had a form, it would be the RT400, a mechanical beast roaring through the wild. It doesn't just clear the land, it devours dense vegetation, grinding thick layers of flora into fine mulch in mere seconds. Each spin of its blades is like the pounding heartbeat of a steel titan, unleashing controlled brutality with unmatched precision. In land reclamation and forestry work, nothing comes close to its dominance. The RT400 is not just a machine, it is the storm of an era, taming nature with its own raw power. Nothing can stand in its way. Every obstacle is ripped from the ground, crushed in an instant. The stump remover doesn't just extract roots, it cuts cleanly and decisively, leaving behind a bare surface, as if nothing had ever been there. No tedious steps, no wasted time on grinding or manual cleanup, just one powerful lift, and the stump is out, making way for uninterrupted progress. This isn't just efficiency, it's absolute domination, pure power, and relentless speed at their finest. Now face the Vermeer BC1000XL. Not just a woodcutter, but a force that pulverizes everything in its path with raw, untamed power. The roar of its Cat 49 HP diesel or turbocharged 85 HP engine isn't just the sound of work. It's a declaration of war against any obstacle. Branches, brush, everything is torn apart in a relentless spin, like a beast charging at its prey with an insatiable hunger. No delays, no resistance, only speed, power, and unstoppable destruction. This isn't just a machine, it's the embodiment of absolute dominance, right in the palm of your hands. Galatrax 800, the undisputed ruler of forestry, a mechanical beast that nothing can stand against. Recognized as the heaviest wood grinder in the world, it doesn't just work, it annihilates everything in its path. With a monstrous 765 HP of raw power, the Galatrax 800 knows no hesitation, no limits. Thick brush, dense trees, stubborn roots clinging deep into the earth, all are reduced to dust under its relentless fury. When this machine roars and surges forward, the ground trembles, trees fall, and nothing remains intact. This isn't just land clearing. This is the absolute domination of pure, unbridled power. The Spaltfix S280, a legend in the wood sawing industry, once trusted for its intelligent control system, razor-sharp blade, and ultra-powerful hydraulic splitting system. It has accompanied countless projects, delivering perfectly cut logs with incredible speed and precision. But now, the Spaltfix S280 has reached the end of its journey. To take on even greater challenges, we recommend upgrading to the Spaltfix S380 or higher. Stronger, smarter, and ready for the future. Thermite versus the tree stump, a merciless execution. 6 clouds of burning thermite engulf it, leaving no chance of survival. The flames consume it from the inside out, reducing everything to ashes. Even the ground glows red, warped by the unbearable heat. This isn't just destruction, it's total annihilation. Everything done. Driving a truck on treacherous mountain roads is a battle with the edge of survival. Every twist and turn is a test, where even the smallest mistake could send everything plunging into the abyss. The wheels skimming the cliffside, the heart pounding with every sharp turn, tension reaches its peak. Yet in that moment of danger, steady hands remain on the wheel, as instinct and experience take control. There is no room for fear, only absolute focus. This isn't just a journey, it's a challenge meant for only the bravest drivers. The CBI Magnum Force 6800 CT is more than just a grinder, it's a mechanical beast. With a capacity of over 200 tons per hour, it shatters all limits in land clearing and wood waste management. The eccentric helix rotor optimizes energy use, ensuring precise material processing. Each rotation delivers a ruthless cut, reducing even the toughest wood to dust in seconds. This is the ultimate symbol of power and cutting-edge technology. Logset 12H GTE Hybrid is not just a machine, it's a steel warrior, a symbol of power and precision. With a 300 horsepower diesel engine paired with a 210 horsepower electric motor, it operates like a duo of superheroes, delivering unstoppable performance. Its advanced hydraulic system allows it to conquer the harshest terrains, ripping stubborn logs from the ground as if they were mere twigs. Every cut, every movement is sharp and commanding, asserting absolute dominance over the forestry battlefield. This is more than just equipment. It's a statement of technology, a machine that demands attention and admiration. This cutter version with a disc gearbox has a simple design, making it easier to use and more efficient than traditional shafts. It reduces operational complexity, increases durability, and enhances performance. However, safety remains a top priority. Following safety measures ensures stable and secure operation. This innovation makes work easier and more effective. This portable jigsaw is not just a tool, it's raw power in the palm of your hand. Don't let its compact size fool you. Inside, a durable engine is ready to take on any challenge. Its razor-sharp blade glides through large logs effortlessly, delivering both precision and impressive speed. Every cut is not just smooth, but also a testament to absolute control and strength. This is the ultimate companion for anyone passionate about woodworking, turning heavy tasks into an exciting and efficient experience. The engine runs smoothly yet powerfully, cutting through wood quickly and precisely. Each cut is effortless, making the work much easier. No extra effort is needed, just start the machine and it takes care of everything. This is a reliable tool for anyone looking to get the job done quickly and efficiently. Have you ever stood before a massive, knot-filled tree stump and thought it was unbeatable? I used to think so too, until the hydraulic log splitter came into play. With just one press, a powerful crack echoed through the air and the stubborn wood split apart in an instant. The feeling is incredibly satisfying, as if you're harnessing raw power and bending nature to your will. This isn't just hard labor. It's a mesmerizing display of strength where machinery turns the impossible into reality. If you enjoyed the video, Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to Woodcut Tech so you won't miss out on upcoming content. Got any questions or ideas? Drop a comment below. See you in the next video.